Hello everyone. Today I am going to explain you about the immigration process in Australia. Few of the colleagues, few of my friends, they are willing to go for the skill migration. For skill migration, the points age. If you are less than 25, then you have to secure 25 points. If you are between the age of 26 and 33, you will get a 30 maximum points, and if you are above than 33 and below 40, 25, and if you are above 45, you will get only 15 points. Now experience, maximum points, if you have a 10 years experience, you will get a 20 points. But skill immigration, that what the skill you have. If you have a computer science degree, if you have a nursing degree, if you have a degree accounting and finance, and if you have a 4-year bachelor's or master's in pharmacy, you will be eligible for the Australian immigration and you will secure 60 points. Due to this COVID-19, the point table, they reduced the from 60 to 50, and also a state, because if you are going for regional migration means you are not going for the Sydney, Melbourne and the big cities, metropolitan cities, but you can go for anywhere in Australia, but the small and tiny towns, then you will get a 15 points extra for this eligibility criteria. So skill immigration, you have a list of the, like many of our people, they are thinking that only doctors, engineers and pharmacy and nurses are eligible. But right now, plumber, hair cutter, then all the technical skills people like electricians, they are also eligible, and they are in the eligible criteria in Australian immigration policies. But they have to secure English language IELTS above 6.5. If you are going for the category of plumber, technician, electrician, or any other skills which you have required, so you must have to equivalence about the TAFE of Australia. For nurses, they must have a certificate of the registered nurse, 4 years bachelor degree and registered nurse, and experience of 4 years. She or he can be eligible. For doctors, they should apply Australian Medical Council, and Australian Medical Council, you must have to qualify that examination, then you will be eligible for the Australian immigration. And if you are engineer, if you are agriculturists, you have a certain exams of Australia, you have to qualify first, then you will be eligible. Now, if you are going for a skill immigration, then one thing which is very important for all of us, that we should go for the IELTS right now, and your band score overall 6.5 to 7, you will get a maximum number of English language proficiency. One thing which I will tell you, that Australia right now after the COVID is a land of opportunity, because they relaxing the immigration laws, and settlement in Australia is very easy compared to UK and America, because crime rate is zero. In America, I've been there 8 to 10 times, and believe me, in Washington, New York, many times I had a trouble with the big black people. They chase us and they grab us money as well. So in my 27-year experience of Australia, I believe Australia is a wonderful country. Nobody can harm you, whether you are in village, whether you are in a big towns. So from today you have to think And if you have any queries regarding immigration, regarding skill migration, regarding your student visa, I'm free to help all of you, because we have to globally serve our community, especially for those who are really interested in the immigration of Australia and New Zealand. I will love to give them guidance step by step. For if you have any queries, you can call me on 0306 3610 or you can email me on my faizs045 at gmail.com. Thank you very much. Thanks for your patience.